What's up, everybody? It's your girl Misha B, and today I want to teach you all how to import clips onto Adobe Premiere. But first, I want to tell you all that you need to have a folder. I repeat, you need to have a folder to keep your work organized. If you do not have a folder, you will be upset and confused. So this is how you create a folder. You press File, New Folder. You double click on Untitled Folder and you give your folder its own name. So we're going to use my folder as an example. So my folder is right here, as you can see, Carmesha's folder. So I'm going to press on that folder, go into my Project 1, Interviews. So here are a list of all my interviews that I need to complete my project. Okay? So we're going to exit out of that. Now we're going to go into Premiere and import our interviews. So you go to File, Import, Desktop, because that is where our folder is located. Project 1, Interviews. So once again, here go all my interviews. So there's a trick. I'm going to teach you all how to import one clip at a time and also multiple clips at a time. So this is how you import one clip. You just press the clip that you want to import and you press Import. Easy, simple, right? So to make your project go a little bit faster, you can go to File, Import, Desktop, Project 1, Interviews. And you can click on your first interview, hold down Shift, and click on your other clips along with that first one. Now we press Import. So that is how you import clips onto Adobe Premiere. I hope this video has assisted you. Thanks for tuning in. Misha B, Bell Media Group.